Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to propagate boxwood plant cuttings to create new hedge plants for your gardens. First off, what exactly is propagation? Well, it's the process of creating new plants from existing ones. And the boxwood varieties, with their beautiful foliage and versatile nature, is perfect for this. So let's take a look at what you can achieve with these beautiful plants. Alright, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Sharp, clean pruning shears and a Stanley knife, rooting hormone, which will give the roots a boost to grow, but not necessarily needed, a container with well-drained soil, or an area to plant your cuttings, such as mine will be this planter box I made with high walls, shielding the little plants from the heat of the sun and the wind. Also, a perfect time to get these cuttings would be just after winter, beginning of spring. Selecting healthy cuttings. Choose a healthy boxwood plant and look for stems that are about 4 to 6 inches or 10 centimeters in length. Prepare the cuttings using your sharp pruning shears. Make a clean cut just below a node where a leaf meets the stem, and take more than you need, as some may not make the journey. Bring the cuttings to your table. Remove any lower leaves to expose the nodes. Nodes is a place on the stems as seen, where either small buds develop into leaves, stems, or flowers. Leave a few leaves up the top. This will be important later on, as this is when you can tell if your plants you've planted are either dying and drying up, which means no root growth, or they are alive and still green, meaning roots may be forming. That's good. Next, to give your cuttings the best chance, now is the time to apply rooting hormone, and just dip the cuttings end of each stem into rooting hormone as seen. This will encourage root growth and increase the chances of successful propagation. Planting the cuttings. Insert the treated end of each cutting into the soil, making sure the nodes are buried. You can plant multiple cuttings in the same container or close to each other in the ground, but make sure they're not overcrowded. Place your cuttings away from direct sunlight or in a glass house if you have one. Provide adequate care, water the soil thoroughly, ensuring it's evenly moist but not waterlogged. Monitor and wait and check the cuttings regularly for signs of growth and moisture levels. It may take several weeks for the roots to develop, so be patient and look for signs of new growth as well as seen in the following scenes. I've developed a week-by-week reel of the cuttings from being planted to maturing into big sized plants, ready to plant. Once big enough, I've transplanted mine into a bigger area and let them grow bigger, ready for their home in the front of my house. This year, I have successfully grown 20 out of 20 boxwood plants, way more than I need, and will happily give some away to my friends. And there you have it, folks. With a little bit of time and patience, you can propagate these boxwood cuttings to create new plants for your garden. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.